My name is Jaime Castiblanco. What would have happened if? My anecdote. Where did you stay? A few years ago, I was working in a big enterprise coordinating a database. At that moment, I worked for a public company that was in charge of the victims in conflict. The state gave them a compensation for the damage that they received. How did you react at that moment? I liked my job because I had a good work environment and so many partners that I made through time. However, it did not feel realized because all my life I want I wanted I want to start my own business and follow a project that I had. I continued working for this enterprise for 3 years more, but always thinking about my project. How did this story finish? At 2060, I left my job following my dreams and expectations, leaving behind everything that I had worked for years. I was afraid because thinking that decision could have changed my life forever in spite of that. Now I am doing what I love. If I had not taken the decision, I would not have started my own business. I feel success because I followed my dreams.